Shall we begin?
Hi mga ka-sirs, this is Sheila from Sheila's Easy Recipes. Welcome to my home. I'm here to share to you products from Family's Choice. And now we will be unboxing the product that they gave me. Tadan! Hello Ma'am Sheila. Meet Family's Choice sweetened cocoa. So easy, convenient, and affordable. Bakit? Dahil no need to add sugar, flavoring, and salt. So tingnan natin yung mga product nila. Ito. Yung number 1 product nila, yung sweetened, original sweetened cocoa. So soon, gagawa tayo ng video on how to make choco moist cake using this product without adding salt and flavoring. Soon, excited na ako mag-share sa inyo niyan. More products from them. Ito. Powdered sugar. So, maganda to pag gagawa tayo ng icing. Yan, gamit na gamit natin to. Or, pag gagawa tayo ng fondant. Next, for the cake, baking soda. Ginagamit natin to lagi for some types of cakes that we bake. And, another product is the pure cocoa powder. Kung gusto natin lagyan ng sugar, ayaw natin yung instant na may sugar, ito naman yung pwede nating gamitin. Okay, so these are the products that they shared to me. Everyone, dito po sa Cebu, meron po tayong demo is July 16, 2 to 4 p.m. at Ongking-King. Doon po sa reclamation, SM reclamation area. Magkita-kita po tayo doon and I will be sharing a choco moist cake recipe plus cookies po na chocolate using this product. See you soon!